Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class on changing voice for class 8. Today is our second class on changing voice. So let's look here. Change the following sentences into passive. A. We wrote stories. This sentence is on past indefinite. So let's see how to change it. The object is stories. So we're starting with the stories where. We're using the past form of the auxiliary verb because our verb is in past tense. And then we're using the past participle of the verb written. Stories were written by us. We're changing the pronoun we to us. Number B. My teacher solved the problem. We are bringing the object here, the problem. The problem was solved. Again, auxiliary verb in past tense because our sentence is in past indefinite. Was solved by my teacher. Number C. Did you show me the picture? This is an interrogative sentence. So let's see how to do it. Was I shown the picture by you? So we have me here and the picture. Two parts in this object part. So we can do it in this way. Was I, we are changing the me to I. Was I shown? We're changing the verb into past participle. Was I shown the picture or second object, then by and you. Was I shown the picture by you? Number D. What did you say? Another interrogative sentence. So what, it will start with what, no change here. What was said by you? As it is in past tense, you can see did is used here. We are using was and then past participle of the verb say, said, then by you. What was said by you? Number E. I was reading a novel. You can see this sentence is in past continuous. So let's bring the object at the beginning. A novel was being read. As we have continuous here, we are adding being for the continuous. A novel was being read by me. Past participle of the verb and we're changing I to me. Number F. Was she now teaching her son? Another question. Was her son, we're bringing it, the object here, was her son not being taught? We're keeping the negative word here, was her son not, then being for the continuous, past participle of teach, taught by her. We're changing the she to her. Okay, look at next page, the next sentence. Number G. You had done the work. Okay, we have a perfect sentence here, past perfect. So we bring the object at the beginning. The work had been done. Okay, for the perfect sentence we are using been after had and then past participle of the verb. Had been done, then by you. Next one, H. Had you taken lunch? Okay, an interrogative sentence in the perfect tense. Okay. Had lunch been taken by you? Okay, the been that we used after had in the previous sentence, now it comes after the object and before the verb. Had lunch been taken by you. Number I, they will play the match. Now we are on future indefinite. Okay, the object at the beginning, the match will be played. So after will and before the past participle of the verb, we are adding a be. The match will be played by them. We are changing they to them. Next one, an interrogative sentence. Number J, who will help me? Okay. Now let's see what change we are making here. The who is becoming whom. By whom? By whom will I be helped? The me is becoming I here. By whom will I? Then the be and past participle of the main verb. By whom will I be helped? K. What will he do? Another interrogative sentence. What will be done by, and then he is becoming him. What will be done by him? Number L. The farmers will be preparing the soil. See, this sentence is future continuous. So let's see how to do it. The object is the soil. So let's start with it. The soil will be, will and be are not changed. The soil will be. Then we add being because we have continuous here with the verb. The soil will be being, then past participle of the main verb, prepared. The soil will be being prepared by, then the subject, the farmers. The soil will be being prepared by the farmers. Okay, dear students, based on this discussion from page 156 to 159, selected sentences has been given as homework. Change the following sentences into passive. So your next homework is these 5 sentences. Pick up the sentences like this in your copy and in the next line write the answer. Number 1, F.R. Khan built the Sears Tower. B. Did the farmer grow onions? C. The farmers were harvesting paddy. D. We had finished the work at 9. E. Had they not sung the national anthem? F. Will you bring the book? So change these active sentences into passive according to the discussion, and you can also take help from the book. The structures are mentioned there with detailed discussion, and see the class again and again. If you have problem, you can see the discussion and the voice change I showed in the previous 2 pages. Okay, dear students, do the homework carefully and submit it on next Saturday. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.